hope when I pull this vine, it doesn't pull the tree down on top of me. That'd be really stupid. So here in the next 6 months or so, there's going to be some changes coming to the channel. Welcome back to Sow Grow. My name is Luke. Today we are back in the bowels of our property, where it is just full of honeysuckle, Oriental Bittersweet, autumn olive, and probably a bunch of poison ivy too. So we will be clearing through here. You see this bittersweet, it just wraps around and strangles trees. So yeah, that's got to go. There's a nice river birch right there. All the rest of this crap, man. All through here's honeysuckle, some Oriental. But we'll get through it. We're going to start right here today. I'm sure, like the rest of you, our January was so cold. I don't think it was above maybe 20 degrees for most of it. And a lot of it below 10 and below 0. Negative temperatures, negative wind chills. Today, it's 50 degrees and it feels amazing. So, there's going to be some changes coming to the channel in the next 6 months or so, and I'll kind of allude to that later with a couple of videos, but for now we're still here at the sand house, as we call it. In the future we might be living somewhere else. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and subscribe, please. Really helps. Oh, yikes. Look at this giant autumn olive. Yeah, buddy. Get that crap out of here. Yeah, that one's been there for a while. Alright, all of this crap is Oriental Bittersweet, and as you can see, it is an absolute jungle. So I'm pretty sure this tree is dead. Well, it looks like an ash, so I'll have to cut that down eventually, but first I'm going to get all this junk out of here. Holy shit. That was uncomfortable. Come on, you stubborn tree, just get in my jaws. Now, let's hope when I pull this vine, it doesn't pull the tree down on top of it. That'd be really stupid. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps. Thank you. Okay, so step over this crap. Jeez. Got this area cleared out a bit. Still plenty of work to do, but I need to find a better place to get out of here instead of backing out to my pile over there. So I think I'm going to cut through here. It's all junk right through here, and the trail is right up there too. So 25 feet we'll be on the trail, and pretty much all of this needs to go through. And then I'm gonna cut this dead ash down with all the Oriental Bittersweet. Gnarly stuff. And here I've added to the pile. It's getting pretty big. Well, we got through here. Man, some of these trees are super tough to get out. Like, just would not want to uproot. Alright, so for my first video on this project, I cleared out here and to here and started this pile, and now I've expanded it probably 3 or 4 fold. Cleared this area out, and I've cleared down through here. Some of these oaks are super stubborn and just won't uproot. So I'll have to probably come with the chainsaw and cut them down, but we also got a little bit of this cleared out. And back down to the trail there. And then we've got all of this left still. But there's a lot of these oaks in here that are kind of, you know, like 2-3 inches in diameter. And they just don't want to be grabbed by the grapple. Kind of wish I had a tree puller for some of them. But it's a lot of progress. Slowly but surely we'll get there. So here in the next 6 months or so, there's going to be some changes coming to the channel. For now, I'm going to keep them a little private, but I'll give you a few hints in the future. One of those hints is bigger tractors. So if you like this kind of content and you like bigger tractors too, subscribe, turn notifications on, and stay tuned for the big changes coming to the channel. Thanks for watching. But you know what time it is? It's quitting time, and it's time to go eat dinner. Thanks for coming along with me today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.